The Business Administrative Services program at Davis Tech provides students with both basic and advanced skills necessary to become an invaluable asset in the business world. Companies welcome competent people to fill roles in finance, human resources, and management. Davis Tech core courses provide a well-rounded study of basic office skills and related support skills combined with effective communication, exceptional organization, and management techniques. Students choose an administrative professional or an accounting clerk emphasis. Students learn power skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and project management in each course. Throughout the program, students develop computer skills as they work toward obtaining basic Microsoft Office certifications. Students who choose the accounting clerk emphasis will be prepared to take the QuickBooks certification exam. These industry certifications enhance any resume and offer concrete evidence of superior computer skills.